Hi, it's Eunice. Welcome back to Aerial Practice. I believe one of the reasons why aerial is very fun is the creativity that we can put in once we're in the air. The more that I practice, the more ways I discover to do splits on the aerial hammock and aerial hoop. So I've decided to group them in today's video for you to try 10 ways to do splits on the aerial hammock. If you're working on your splits, especially aerial splits, you're going to want to try the upcoming top 10 stretch routine on active flexibility for splits. Click subscribe now so you'll see it when it comes out, and many more aerial and flexibility routines.
The first one is a basic splits from standing. Stand underneath the ragging. Step the right foot in the hammock. Place the grip low. Straighten the right leg and lean back. Follow the left leg to bring the hip up. Straighten to a split. Come back, and now the other side. This one is from the basic hammock trick. First, pull up to a pike. Bring the left leg back for an aerial split. Pike again and switch legs. This split does not only require upper body strength, but also core and glute to keep the balance in the air. Now an easier one from the beginner routine. Lean down and bring the legs to a straddle. Bend the right leg and hook. Now straighten the right leg in this position. Back to a straddle and switch legs. Bend and straighten to a split. From here, I'm releasing my leg, straighten and pull to bring myself up. Circle my right leg to a hip lock. If hip lock is challenging for you, check out the link for hip lock drills in the description below. Now circle my right leg back and hook my elbow on the fabric. Grab the free leg and bring it to a split. I am going to start from the beginning to do the other side. I was very reluctant to practice both sides at the beginning, especially it hurts more on the weaker leg. But if you're passionate about aerial, a good goal to have is to get so strong to not remember which one is your bad side. Next is the vertical splits from the other beginner routine. Lean down and back to a straddle. Bring the legs in to get to the first sitting position. Bend and bring the right leg in. Hook the right foot on the fabric and bring the left leg down. Come back down and the other side. Mirroring movement from left to right might be simple to most people, but I'm one of those that get lost constantly when trying to do the other side. If you're like me, don't let the frustration stop you from trying. It is still challenging, but it is getting more natural for me after many practice. I call this next one kicking into a split. Back to a straddle position. Bring the right foot on the fabric. Keep the foot flexed to do the kicking later. Bring the left leg in and turn the body once. The second turn I'm going to kick and straighten the right leg to get into this position. Bring the left leg to a split. Going directly to split 7 before the other side. Hook the left leg and climb up. Pull to adjust the hip for a split in this position. Come back down for the other side. An important note here is the position of the foot. The fabric should be underneath the foot to help to kick into split 6. And here is split 7 again. We're going to do this upside down split without the foot lock. Step the right foot in the hammock. Bring the left leg forward and to the side. Hook the left leg on the fabric. Straighten for an upside down split. Keep the hand on the fabric at all times in this position. If you want to know how to do the splits without the support of the hands, check out the footlock flow for detail. Now come back for the other side. Remember to keep at least one hand on the fabric. For the next 2 splits, I'm bringing my hammock lower to make more space in the air. Same as the last one, right foot in, left leg forward, to the side, and hook. Now I'm going to climb up, straighten my left leg, and push for a pose. Come back for the other side. There are many variations to the splits in this position. If you're interested in more advanced aerial splits, comment with the word easy and let me know. And let's confuse those who just read the comment section. We save the best for the last. Step the right foot in the hammock again. Bring the left leg forward and to the side. This time, replace the right foot with the left. Notice that I'm sitting my hip low to leave more fabric for my leg. Circle the right knee counterclockwise, and again. Now hook the right knee on the fabric. Straighten the right leg. I'm going to show you this one more time on the other side. Left foot in the hammock. Right leg forward and to the side. Replace the left foot. Circle the left knee clockwise. Hook the left knee. And here is our final split today.
There are just so many ways to do beautiful splits on the aerial hammock. If you enjoyed this video, remember you can leave a comment or thumbs up so I can be sure to make more similar videos for you. Have a wonderful day ahead and see you in next week's videos.